Hi, my name is Linsdau. I'm a polar explorer and professional adventurer. Today I'm going to give you a tour of the Lewiston, Nez Perce County Airport. This is a small airport. It'll be a short tour, but it'll give you a good idea of what you're up against if you happen to be traveling through here, whether it's on business, pleasure, or the holidays. Thank you very much for watching and enjoy the tour. I hope you've enjoyed the short tour of the Lewiston, Nez Perce County Airport. Please like and comment on the video, and if you found it useful, subscribe to the channel. Check out links below to my adventures, travel, shows on Amazon, books, and everything else. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the airport.